Cuisinart Cook Fresh digital glass steamer is 1,875 watts of power, and it has a 1-liter storage reservoir for water. Now I'm going to be making a classic English sticky toffee pudding. If I was making that in the oven, I would need to make a bain-marie, which is just simply a water bath. It keeps the temperature steady and humid. With the steamer, I can accomplish all of that in one tiny space on the countertop. With my batter combined, I was careful to separate the wet from the dry ingredients. I incorporate the baking powder evenly through the dry ingredients so that my puddings rise to perfection. Now I've got the ramekins buttered. I just need to divide the batter, cover them up, and put them in the Cook Fresh to steam. With my toffee sauce finished and the puddings have been steaming away for about 35 minutes, in 10 minutes I'll take the top off when they're finished, uncover them, let them cool just slightly, then turn them out onto plates ready to serve. Topped with a little bit of whipped cream and some of this beautiful toffee sauce, they are going to be a favorite in your home.